Hello, boss. I'm David. Behind me is a waterjet bridge cutting machine. So the whole spraying process is divided into 4 steps. The first step is to do a sandblasting treatment first to remove the rust-proof coating, the rust on the surface. To clean it up, the second step, we will apply a layer to apply putty to fill in the defects, to fill in the defective areas. The third step is to spray the primer. The primer spraying, we use 60% of zinc content of rich zinc primer to spray it. The fourth step is to apply a beautiful top coat to make the whole appearance more exquisite. So the whole process is completed through 4 processes to complete the production of our machine. So let's take a look at the actual process. Now, the first process is sandblasting. Process, as you can see, here is the frosted surface has been completed with sandblasting. Why do we sandblast it? In fact, sandblasting has an advantage. It can have the adhesion of a machine tool. It has a strong adhesion. If it is not sandblasted, if you knock the paint with your hand, it will easily fall off. So we first do the first sandblasting. It is beneficial to the adhesion of the paint to adhere to it. Yesterday, the first process was sandblasting treatment. Then the next step is to do a plastering. Let's go and see it. The effect of grinding this ash. Come on, our GT is right ahead. Friends, look at ours. Everyone can see that. The putty has been ground here. Putty. It's commonly used in industrial equipment. You can still see here that a trace of sandblasting from yesterday. The rust on the surface has been removed. To improve its flatness, I applied some putty and sanded it. You can still see here that the sand surface of the machine tool. Let our photographer to sweep the entire lens. Next, what is about to be carried out is our 65% zinc content. A primer will be sprayed on the bottom layer of this machine. So the time has taken about 2 days to complete our entire process in total. It will take about 3 to 4 days to complete the spraying of one machine. Okay, friends, look at this. I have 2 buckets here with different zinc powder content. This one is DT. This bucket contains paint, is relatively more. This side is a little less. As for the weight, because there is no scale here, let's lift it by hand. We can feel it clearly. This one has 65% zinc powder. It will be heavier here. The zinc powder in the paint, if the zinc powder content is high, it has a relatively high concentration. This one is relatively thicker in density, is relatively thinner. So a good one, a high zinc content, it has a better anti-corrosion effect. In our factory, all the Rice series products. This series of products we use a 65% Zinc-Rich, this ring, such a new primer to achieve a corrosion-proof structure in this way, ensuring that the machine is soaked in water for a long time to achieve a good anti-corrosion effect. Okay, friends. Now, because the smell is very strong, I'm wearing a mask. The third process is being carried out behind me. Now, our construction workers are hurrying to spray us with this epoxy Zinc-Rich primer. Everyone can see. You can see it. The actual effect after spraying. Okay, everyone look now. Fourth process has been sprayed. This is also our final process, the top coat. Let's take a look. The whole spraying has been completed. The final process. This machine's the color of this machine has finally been done. That's it. Details. Let our photographer show you a panorama. Okay, our epoxy Zinc-Rich primer. What is the difference between epoxy Zinc-Rich primer? What are the differences? As you can see, this one behind me is sprayed with a layer of iron red anti-rust paint. So its anti-corrosion effect is far less than that epoxy Zinc-Rich. Stronger anti-corrosion ability. So this is why other manufacturers, to save costs, use iron red anti-rust paint for the entire machine to achieve the purpose of reducing costs. But we have always insisted on using epoxy Zinc-Rich with a zinc content of 60%. Process standard to our customers, to all our customers and friends.